In this video I'm showing how to set up an email signature in Microsoft Outlook. I'll be using Outlook 2013, but the steps for other versions of Outlook are very similar. To begin, just click on File in the top left corner, and then click on Options. Click on Mail, and then click on Signatures. To create a new signature, just click on New, and then give it a name, and hit OK. This bottom window is where we actually create the text that we want to appear in the signature, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. The email signature also supports pictures, so if your company has a logo that they like you to include, you can just copy it to the clipboard and paste it in here. And I'll just use the snipping tool to put an image in here as an example. After you're finished creating the signature, you just have to use this drop down to apply it to your messages. You can use the same signature for both new messages as well as replies and forwards, but typically what folks will do is create a more formal signature for their new messages and use a briefer one for replies and forwards. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Then all you have to do is just use the drop downs to select your signature and hit OK, and you're done. And now whenever you create a new email message, the signature should be included. So that's it for this video. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and thanks for viewing.